cringiest kid on YouTube. Not Jacob Sartorius, but Bacon Bro Cashew, because today he roasted my big brother, and I'm really mad. So today we're gonna be reacting to his video.
Wait! I already reacted to all of his videos. They're so cringy, they almost made me die. So yeah. Back to you.
Okay, so then let's just roast him. Okay, Ben, give me the headphones.
Okay.
This is going to Trevor. Your face looks like a nipple. Oh my god. It's basically a pimple. Pray to God that you don't get roasted so hard like a Charizard Pokemon card.
Oh!
Thank you guys for watching the video. Please leave a like or subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.